Welcome back to Tales from Tinkerage. It's my wife's birthday coming up and I haven't actually been able to get out and get her a present, so I thought I'll make her something. I have left over from the spoon I made last year, a small piece of yew. I sanded it down a little bit on one side to test out the finish that I used, but I really do like the grain on this. Got some colour here changing from one side to the other, and I thought that would make quite a nice pendant. So I'm going to go for a very simple approach. I'm going to just draw out a heart, use the bandsaw to cut that into shape, and then just sand it down, trying to smooth the edges. May as well listen to some Made for Profit while I'm sanding. So I've kind of just tidied up the shape with belt sander, detailed sander, got the approximate shape that I want. So now just a bit of fine finishing. Got some 180 here, I'm going to go up over 200, possibly to about 400. That should give a nice finish. Oh, this feels good. There we go. Just going to need a wipe down, a tack cloth, let it dry, and some boiled linseed oil, which I'll do inside because it's far too cold out here at the moment.